Okay. I think we can stay here for 10 or 20 minutes. Then we can move to our textbook. Okay. This simulation is called the least square regression. I think the examples on this simulation that is better than the textbook, because the textbook is a little bit boring. Okay. For example, we just check the height, person height, and the shoe size here. I think the correlation is really good. The higher the person, the larger the shoe size for him or for her. And we explained about the earning money and the spending money, and also the correlation is very significant. And watch this. And years since 1976, the oil crisis, the second time of oil crisis, and we can see after 1979, 1977, 1978 here, and the gas price in US dollars, it moves up, but it's not a trend in the linear, and the correlation is R is plus 0.81. I think that the trend is not so beautiful, but we know the trend is increasing after 1979. The gas price is increasing, but gas price is how can I say that? It's very special because it's not only about supply and demand. It's about the political issues. And okay. Here, the topic here is life expectancy and TVs, and you can see the correlation. I don't think that is good. The correlation coefficient, that is negative. It means when we increase the value of the x-axis, it also decreases the value in y-axis. And the x-axis is average number per people per TV. It means a TV, a person, how many people are there? At least in the US, now a family at least has two TVs, and I think this kind of analysis is funny. Funny is applied the way I think it has no sense, has no meaning, because the life expectancy and the TV number maybe have no correlation, but meanwhile the research and the social budget in social world, that is the key point, and the medicine research and the kind of issues are really important to contribute the life expectancy. Okay, then next. I like this. And check here, temperature and the correlation to the longitude. And here is, you can see almost no correlation. And here the next one is the temperature and the latitude. Wow, it's very significant. Okay, let me explain the latitude and longitude, the terms. I use the Wikipedia, and here the longitude from the west, from the east, and we know the Earth is rotating, and no matter the longitude of the location, they will enjoy similar sunshine irradiation. But the latitude, for example, in Taiwan, the latitude in Taiwan is about 24 to 22, 24 to 20 from Tropics of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer is going through the Jiayi or Hualien, some area. Okay, let me show you that. Tropic of Cancer through of Taiwan, in Taiwan. Maybe I have some images. Yeah, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Because the translation is very weird in our language. It's called the 北回归线. It's really weird because one student, cancer is a disease for human. Yeah, that is one, but it's a zodiac. It's zodiac in our language. It's called the 巨蟹座. Okay, then you can see the mark of the Tropic of Cancer. One is in Hualien, one is in Jiayi. So you can see that's interesting. Okay, and the Taiwan, the latitude is between 22 to 24. 22 to 24. So the average temperature is about here. But I used to live in New York State. Okay, New York State latitude. About 43. So we know the higher the latitude, the higher the latitudes, the chance of snowing is increasing. So when we see this, the temperature versus longitude is is not easy to find the correlation. But when we switch to temperature versus latitude, wow, you can see the line, the dots close to the red line, and here we can see the check residual, and we got a correlation coefficient that is minus 0.85. What does it mean? In this part, when the number is negative, it means we increase the x value, and the value in y-axis, the value is decreasing. So this part, the correlation coefficient, that is negative. So in the future, when you become a when you become a worker in business or somewhere, you need to know this. Again, the calculation and the calculation and concept about the regression is really hard, very hard. But the operation is easy. See, you just place your data here and click it, and you will get a beautiful fitting line here. Beautiful line here. Okay. Well, then please use 2 minutes. Click custom and select 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 points is enough. Then you can click best fit line and click residual. Uncheck it, check it. Then click square the residual. Okay, please do this. Yeah, select custom, customize your fitting line, and you can select 2, 3, 4, 5, either one is okay. I placed 4 points on the graph and click best fit line and click excuse me, residuals and squared residuals. If you finish this part, please select one point and move it up, move it down, move it to the left, move it to the right, and please observe the area of the pink square. Are they increasing? Are they decreasing? And please also observe the value of r, not r square, it's r is here. Because r square, so the value is always positive. But r, it can be positive, it can be negative. Okay, so Warren, could you tell me if I plan to get r, the value with a negative value, how can I do here? Okay, here is the mouse. I love wireless mouse. Don't worry, you can move it. Okay, again, you can move it just from the 4 points here. Okay, how to get today your mission is to demonstrate how to get r with a negative value. Do you need a hint? The hint is very easy. When the value, the line, the slope is this direction, that is positive. When the line, the direction is slope like this, that will be negative. So please move. Yeah, you got it? And that's one thing. You do a good job. And one more mission. Can you observe one thing? What does it mean? The red horizontal bar. It means the square area, the pink square area, put them together, make a sum. That is here. Okay, then your mission is try to minimize the red bar here. How to minimize? I think this number is big now. Try to minimize it by moving all 4 points, or either one is okay. I should videotape you because this demonstration is really good. Yeah, other students, you can follow these steps. How to, okay, wow, bigger and bigger. How can make the area smaller? Just one way. Try, you got it. Try to move everything on this line. See, very small. So I love those software because they are free to use and easy concept to understand. Okay, 2 minutes, please try this one. Okay, I take the mouse back. Again, pick up. I believe we spend 2 hours on these issues, and later when we go back to our textbook, it will be easier for you. If you forgot the concept, please come back to use those software. the latitude of Taipei is about 22. Should I place the 22 on the location of Y or the location of X? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? From we know the Taipei, the latitude is about 22 degrees. Then I want to calculate the average temperature in January from this formula. The formula is calculated by the computer and we got a fitting line. The equation is y equals minus 1.71x. So I should place the 22 in the x or in the y and find the other variable.